It's October 1st, and that means there'll be lots of food, music, and lots of beer. And since we're talking about beer, how about if we whip up some beer-basted sausages to help you get your own Oktoberfest party started? It's basically onions sauteed until they're golden, along with spicy mustard and a bit of salt and pepper. We cook our sausages in this until they plump up. Then we let everything simmer in some German beer. Now all you have to do is put on some oom-pah music, pour yourself a beer, and let the party begin. The combo of the mustard and the beer gives our sausages an old world taste that is wonderful. To get the recipe, visit our website and look for Beer-Basted Sausages. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an Oktober festival way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.